Salty is the first app that best matches supply with demand of job performances. Once you're signed up, you'll be able to register as a professional or start looking for the person you need right away. Search among more than 30 categories. With a couple of taps, you'll have all the information you need to assess, compare, and choose the professional you're looking for, and access a profile with contact options, completed jobs, reviews, and prices. You'll be able to reach out with your inquiries via messaging app and book a phone call or set up a meeting within the app. Once the job has been completed, you'll be able to give the professional a feedback based on their performance, certifying the quality of his or her services. If you sign up as a professional, you'll be able to choose up to 3 skills that will allow your potential customers to easily reach out to you. Once you've completed your profile with your availability, prices, and completed jobs, you'll be able to be contacted with the contact options you've previously selected. You'll be able to manage and choose your job offers, and your appointments will be tracked and organized in your personal calendar. Salty, Job Advisor.